my Great Dane. He's a small 150-pound puppy, actually. So what's going on with the crypto market? Well, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name's James Henderson, coming to you live from where else? From the place where it all got started, here at MalairteBitcoin.com. What's Malairte Bitcoin? What's Malairte? Well, Malairte is Irish, and it means exchange. So when you translate it to English, it means Bitcoin exchange. So for people who are interested in do high frequency trading, here at MalairteBitcoin.com, we are all for this revolutionized technology. Bitcoin almost saw 6 grand. I mean, wow. So are you so if you're into Bitcoin and you bought it back in '08 for pennies on the dollar, that's one heck of a return, man. You're doing a lot better than the stock market. It's just one of those deals to where you're enjoying life right now. I know a lot of guys that are a lot younger than me, and they're all retired. Damn, I just wish I followed those guys. But I digress. So what's going on with the state of Bitcoin? Bitcoin is hovering around right below $6,000. Why is that? When China stopped the whole cryptocurrency thing? Well, the neat thing about it is Japan and South Korea has taken up most of the volume that China left. So, and on top of that, with the industry of Segwix 2x and Bitcoin Gold, about to fork, people are pumping money into Bitcoin in hopes that these Segwit 2x and Bitcoin Gold, after they fork, will be worth a lot of money. So it's pretty much free money for them. Problem with that is everyone who's doing a lot of altcoin trading has seen a price dropped in their market. So it's not a really high end thing. It's but we'll see the volume of altcoins increase afterwards. So that's the so for everyone who has their money in altcoins and have seen the price drop, then we're you'll see the price rise again right after the fork. So where's my money at right now? Well, it's currently making money trading over 150 times a day in altcoins. So I'm thinking I'll see a better return than sticking all my money in Bitcoin right now and waiting for the fork. But I digress, and we'll see. But a lot of people have taken their money out, stuck it into Bitcoin, which has the price dropped on a lot of the altcoins, and so we're seeing what's going on with that. So the nice thing about it, for all your Ethereum holders, Ethereum price has risen up 6.4% in the last 24 hours. So that's over 223 million worth of Ethereum in the exchange in the past 24 hours, which is great news for a lot of Ethereum holders that have been sitting on this thing and watching it hover around 300 for the last couple months. So the price has finally increased, and for everyone who's excited to see what the smart contract has to offer, it's doing well. Another thing that's going on with smart contracts is with the ICO industry, and a lot of investors now realizing that half these ICOs are going to fail. People are not investing into these scam ICOs, which pretty much means that when another ICO that comes up has looks and feels just like another one that just popped up several months ago, people are realizing that, okay, what's new about this one? And they're also taking a looking at the team, seeing whether or not they can execute the program. I just got news that Russia exploited Pokemon. So if you're a Pokemon fan, I think Russia just might have broken into your account. I don't know. I digress. I got a listen to that later on here. So, okay, so China stopped all cryptocurrency and Bitcoin exchange. Why is that? Well, the People Bank of China is about to release a their own version of Bitcoin, but a centralized version of Bitcoin. So, okay, this sort of disputes everything about the whole decentralized market on a cryptocurrency. So now all of a sudden we got China says, okay, we're not in, we got to control our people because we're a communist state. We're gonna have to, you know, lower our boom, but there's still people really wanting to trade cryptocurrency. So we'll go ahead and put a centralized version of it in our country. Yeah, it's not gonna work, guys. They don't get it. But what's your opinion on it? Let me know. I'd love to know more about what you think when Yao Quan, the director of digital currency research at the People's Bank of China, says, listen, we don't think this decentralized currency is going to work out. So we're going to make our own. Come on, folks, get real. So, as most of y'all know, I used to own a company called NashvilleRadio.tv, still in existence today. But, however, though, we got artists like Grammatic DJ goes to the blockchain. So he's going to release a GRMTK token, and basically what you're doing is you're investing into his business. So as he gets more successful, you get more profitable. Will this disrupt the music industry? Only time will tell. So if you're an artist, this is a great way to get started. Also, Coinbase. This is what everyone's been waiting for. Coinbase comes out now and says, "Hey, we've got an instant Bitcoin for Ether, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. So, but this is only for the guys here in America, and for the guys who invest under $25,000. So if you buy 1 or 2 or 4 Bitcoins at the current state, then you'll be able to instantaneously buy the Bitcoin and not wait for a week for this requested feature. So what else can we say here? So like I said, Bitcoin's up 11.43% at 5,708. It is with a volume of $227,000, which is equivalent to $1.234 billion. We're still small fish in the NASDAQ world, but yet we're growing at such a rapid pace. This is awesome. You can't get anything better than this. Litecoin is up 11.73% against the US dollar, and the reason why is a lot more people are offering payment through Litecoin. So Bitcoin, once again, the reason why they're up, with China's dropping the whole decentralized world, and South Korea and Japan coming up, it's a wild world. With and on top of that, rumors of Amazon's Bitcoin payment is starting to increase. So even though Amazon is sort of trying to pack it down, it's one of those deals to where, well, it's just there's too much hype on it, and it is true. But when Amazon rolls out the whole Bitcoin payment thing, they just want to make sure it's solid. So whether or not it's released tomorrow or it's released in the end of Q1, that's what we're wanting to know. Ether is down a little bit. So it was higher, but now it's down again. $324. Dash is down 9.6%. Dash and Ripple and Zcash, they all align together. People pump it up, make their money, drop it down. Until Dash, Ripple, and Zcash are publicly used out in the world, you're just going to see the market fluctuate. It's just one of those deals, folks. Monero is down 0.78. Once again, people taking off profit, and with the increase of Bitcoin rising so high, of course all these are down. Well, with Ether down, Ether Classic's going to be down. Okay, so it's down 8.53%. And of course, Wave and Stratus is down. Wave and Stratus are down because of the fact that Bitcoin has pumped up so much. So that's all I got to the state of crypto. Tune in next week or log on to MalairteBitcoin.com and we'll see what's going on with the state of the market tomorrow. Hey, like my subscription if you're interested, and go to my YouTube channel. You can always search Malairte Bitcoin, and we'll give you the state of crypto every morning of every day of each year. So we're in this for the long run, because all we do now is we trade, we buy and sell and trade, and we're making a killing. So from all of us here at MalairteBitcoin.com, including the two Great Danes downstairs, we'd love to know your opinions, your thoughts, your feelings, and until then, have fun trading. Awesome. And we're out of here.